In the realm of cryptocurrency, a groundbreaking development has occurred with the internet computer, making it the first to enable a direct integration of Bitcoin and Ethereum Layer 2 on the same network. This is significant when considering the substantial market value invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, their respective Layer 1s and Layer 2s. What sets internet computer apart is that it's the sole protocol combining both, marking it as the most advanced technology globally. The integration of Ethereum Layer 2 is a recent addition, and the applications are noteworthy. This development opens up possibilities for creating applications with mass adoption potential. One such application is OpenChat, now a primary platform for community interaction. Hosted on internet computer, it allows sending chain key Bitcoin directly with the community with minimal transaction fees. This capability extends to various cryptocurrency listed on the internet computer, paving the way for functionalities like giveaways. The live Bitcoin Layer 2 in internet computer has been operational for months, challenging the perception that internet computer is underutilized. Recent data reveals a significant increase in chain key Bitcoin transactions, showcasing the network's viability and growth potential. The launch of a new marketplace, the first for Bitcoin on a Layer 2, exemplifies the diverse applications possible in internet computer. The advantages of internet computer becomes evident when hosting websites directly on the blockchain, offering efficiency and scalability surpassing traditional hosting solutions. The ability to build full-stack applications like OpenChat directly on the chain eliminates the risk associated with centralized hosting. This is particularly appealing to Ethereum's developers seeking a decentralized infrastructure with unlimited scalability. Internet computers' integration of both Bitcoin and Ethereum on a single protocol position it as an attractive option for developers. In contrast to the current challenges faced by Bitcoin and Ethereum, such as high gas fees, Internet computer provides a scalable solution. The potential for both Bitcoin and Ethereum communities to build on the same infrastructure presents an opportunity for substantial value to be generated within the internet computer ecosystem. The unique features of internet computer, such as advanced threshold cryptography and the chain key mechanism, enable secure and scalable integration of Bitcoin and Ethereum Layer 2. This revolutionary development opens doors for various applications, including crypto games, where Bitcoin and Ethereum can be seamlessly integrated. In the global landscape, small businesses now have the capability to accept a chain key Bitcoin as payment. This development is particularly impactful for countries like El Salvador, enabling them to transact in Bitcoin as legal tender, a functionality previously limited by the memory pool and impractical for smaller transactions. The integration of Bitcoin into internet computer is made possible through a unique process where the private key is distributed among various nodes. These nodes collaborate securely to sign transactions directly on the Bitcoin network. This integration allows for deposit of Bitcoin onto internet computer, resulting in the generation of chain key Bitcoin, a one-to-one equivalent of both that can be used within the internet computer network. While it's possible to send this chain key Bitcoin back to the Bitcoin network, the associated network fee can be significant. However, users with larger Bitcoin balances may find it worthwhile to withdraw their Bitcoin securely in a decentralized manner. The recent addition of Ethereum Layer 2 integration is a notable advancement. Although users can currently send chain key Ethereum within the network, the ability to receive Ethereum directly as chain key Ethereum is in the networks. This integration surpasses other Layer 2 solutions for Ethereum, offering a decentralized exchanges for swapping chain key Bitcoin for ICP and soon chain key Ethereum for ICP or chain key Bitcoin. The implication of this technology extends to Ethereum developers seeking to scale their applications. Internet computers' advanced technology and scalability make it an attractive choice. Furthermore, the integration of Ethereum's tokens, including stable coins, promises increased liquidity on the internet computer ecosystem. This development aligns with the vision that internet computer will emerge as a primary platform for building crypto applications. Despite the significance of these advancements, the broader crypto community is not fully aware of internet computers' capabilities. The lack of awareness can be attributed to creators focusing on familiar topics and technologies, often overlooking or resisting new breakthroughs. Internet computers' technology is so advanced that it possesses a potential threat to existing technologies, triggering resistance and skepticism from some influencers who may not have thoroughly researched its capabilities. The network effect of developers building on the internet computer, especially with the integration of Bitcoin and Ethereum Layer 2, is expected to be substantial. The platform's appeal is likely to grow, positioning Internet Computer as a key player in the crypto landscape for developing applications. The integration of ChainKey Bitcoin, ChainKey Ethereum, and Ethereum tokens creates a powerful incentives for developers to migrate to Internet Computer, ushering in a new era of decentralized applications built on advanced technology and scalability. Internet Computer should be fully decentralized, and its marketing strategy is designed to be organic and decentralized. The emphasis is on building the platform's technology rather than resorting to large payouts for promotional purposes. While organic marketing takes longer and demands patience, it is considered more valuable in the long run. Drawing on our personal experience, having spent significant amounts on paid marketing through platforms like Google and Facebook, despite slower pace, organic growth is seen as highly effective, evidenced by the success of our crypto channel built entirely through organic means. The marketing approach for Internet Computer is strategic, focusing on serious development efforts to make it preferred platform for building any crypto application. Ethereum, being the largest community in crypto, faces scalability challenges, especially with high gas fees limiting its potential. With introduction of ChainKey Ethereum on Internet Computer, the scalability to create mass adoption applications becomes a reality. This is not merely theoretical. We highlight receiving $30 worth of Bitcoin through tips on OpenChat, an application built on Internet Computer. Internet Computer's marketing strategy is commended for prioritizing the development of unmatched technology. The team behind Internet Computer, particularly its cryptography experts, is highlighted as world-class. The platform's distinction lies in being the first offer Layer 2 solutions for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, a feat not achieved by any other project globally. The focus is on building a technology that surpasses competitors rather than relying solely on marketing budgets. Our emphasis lies in the value of organic growth, drawing parallels between Internet Computer's strategy and Ethereum's triumph with smart contracts. Our objective is to construct technology that surpasses others, fostering natural growth fueled by users genuinely invested in the platform. A viewer mentioned a statement by Vitalik in 2019 where he referred to Internet Computer as not the competitor but as a sister network to Ethereum. With the live integration of Ethereum on Internet Computer, it is positioned to become the most technologically advanced Ethereum Layer 2. Although full functionality is not yet implemented, the trajectory suggests Internet Computer will be a crucial Ethereum Layer 2 in the near future. The emphasis on technology and utility is highlighted, especially in comparison to other Layer 2 solutions, drawing attention to the potential vulnerabilities in some Ethereum Layer 2 application and contrast them with the custodial nature of Internet Computer. Each app on Internet Computer has separate wallet, providing better security. We are excited about the profound impact of Internet Computer, showcasing its versatility through applications such as social media platforms, decentralized exchanges, and crowdfunding tools. A pivotal aspect highlighted in the empowering ability to tokenize ownership and engage in DAOs, offering user genuine ownership, an innovative feature notably absent in the conventional internet platforms. The strategic collaboration of Bitcoin and Ethereum with the Internet Computer framework is emphasized as a key driver for substantial growth and widespread adoption. In summary, our enthusiasm for Internet Computer is evident, emphasizing its potential to revolutionize the internet by introducing authentic ownership through tokenization and DAO governance. With its cutting-edge technology in collaboration with Bitcoin and Ethereum, Internet Computer stands out as a major player in the ever-evolving crypto landscape.